Palantir Technologies has been on an absolute tear lately, with its stock soaring over 260% in the past year. But the best part? This might just be the beginning. There's a perfect storm of factors lining up that could send Palantir's stock skyrocketing in Q2 2025. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why that's the case. First, let's talk about Palantir's deep relationship with the US government, especially the Department of Defense. In 2025, the US is increasing its defense budget to a record-breaking $886 billion, and a significant chunk of that is going straight into AI, cybersecurity, and data analytics. This is Palantir's bread and butter. They've already secured long-term contracts with the US Army, Air Force, and Space Force, and these contracts are likely to be expanded further in Q2 2025. More contracts mean more revenue, and that directly translates to a stronger bottom line for Palantir. But what's even more exciting is the explosive growth of Palantir's artificial intelligence platform, or AIP. Since launching in 2023, AIP has gained serious traction among Fortune 500 companies looking to integrate AI and machine learning into their operations. In Q2 2025, this growth is expected to go into overdrive. AIP isn't just a general-purpose AI tool. It's industry-specific and tailored to meet the needs of sectors like healthcare, finance, and supply chain management. It's already being used to improve patient outcomes, detect fraud in real time, and optimize supply chains. And as more companies adopt AIP, Palantir's commercial revenue is set to soar. Now, while Palantir's government contracts are impressive, its growth in the commercial space is equally remarkable. Palantir added over 125 new commercial clients in Q4 2024 alone, which was a 65% year-over-year increase. And this trend isn't slowing down anytime soon. The average customer contract length has jumped from 4.5 years to 6.2 years, which means these clients aren't just experimenting with Palantir's software, they're sticking around and expanding their usage. By Q2 2025, Palantir's commercial revenue is expected to account for nearly half of its total revenue, making the company far less reliant on government contracts. But here's where things get even more interesting. Palantir isn't just dominating the US market, they're expanding globally. In 2025, they're making aggressive moves into Europe and the Asia-Pacific region. They've already secured multi-million-dollar contracts in Germany, Japan, and Australia, and they've tailored their AI models to comply with the European Union's AI Act, which means they're well-positioned to operate smoothly in highly regulated industries. This international expansion is opening up billions of dollars in potential revenue and diversifying Palantir's income streams beyond the United States. Another reason Palantir's stock could explode in Q2 2025 is its inclusion in the S&P 100 index. This happened in March 2025, and it's a huge deal. Being part of the S&P 100 means billions in passive inflows from index funds and ETFs that are required to buy Palantir stock. On top of that, institutional investors like Vanguard, BlackRock, and ARK Invest are increasing their positions, signaling that the big players see Palantir's growth potential. This kind of institutional buying doesn't just push the stock higher, it also adds a layer of stability and confidence for retail investors. And let's not forget about Palantir's upcoming product launches. In May 2025, they're rolling out AIP version 3.0, which comes with enhanced natural language processing, faster AI model training, and an improved user interface. Palantir's digital twin technology is also gaining traction, allowing companies to create virtual replicas of complex systems to optimize operations. These innovations aren't just incremental upgrades, they're potential game changers that could drive even more adoption and revenue growth. On the financial side, Palantir is sitting on a mountain of cash. They've got over $3.5 billion in cash reserves, giving them the flexibility to invest in growth while still rewarding shareholders. In early 2025, they announced a $1 billion stock buyback program, which reduces share dilution and increases earnings per share. This kind of financial strength puts Palantir in a prime position to continue expanding while maintaining a solid balance sheet. Technically, Palantir's stock also looks poised for a breakout. The stock is forming an ascending triangle pattern, which is a bullish indicator, with resistance sitting around $110. If it breaks through that level in Q2 2025, we could easily see the stock surge toward 140s or higher. The relative strength index and moving averages are also signaling continued bullish momentum, which adds fuel to the fire. So when you add it all up, government contracts, commercial revenue growth, international expansion, S&P 100 inclusion, product launches, strong financials, and bullish technical indicators, it's clear that Palantir is in an incredible position for a major move in Q2 2025. If everything goes right, Palantir stock could realistically hit 120 to 130 by the end of Q2. And in a bullish scenario, it wouldn't be surprising to see it soar past $140. Now I want to hear from you. What's your price target for Palantir in 2025? Do you think it can hit $140? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the hottest stocks in the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.